is involved with the tools that people use to make design decisions and construction decisions about how they design, operate a building. For example, the primary tool set that's being evolved over time is called building information modeling. And that is the concept of being able to describe in a digital workflow exactly what a building looks like, exactly how that building performs, and to be able to analyze it for all sorts of different predictable decision-making characteristics. When you look at a building information model, and that's an exact, a virtual representation of a building, you can analyze it from either a design point of view for a new building or from an existing point of view.
Sure.
That model then is able to be looked at from the point of view that the objects within that building are basically representing the windows, the walls, the roof, the characteristics of the building. And so you can analyze them for energy performance, for solar characteristics, and you can analyze them from everything from potential wind energy in the spaces, natural ventilation, daylighting, different types of energy performance within the building, and basically simulate the entire environment that's within that building.
Wow.
So the potential here is either in a new construction or in an existing building that's being renovated, and of course the federal government has a huge inventory of existing buildings, is to be able to better understand what's happening in the building and then ultimately make better decisions. And these aren't just decisions made by an architect or by an owner nowadays. These are collaborative decisions made by the entire gambit of owners, contractors, subcontractors, everyone involved in the process. And the collaborative tools that building information modeling allow you to bring together, both in terms of software as a service, whether they be through the cloud or whether they be on the desktop, are all connected nowadays so that everybody can look, can visualize the building, can basically analyze, simulate, understand what's going on within the building, and then evaluate the different decisions about, do I want to orient the building this way? Does the building need to be taller, shorter? Do I need to be able to focus on priorities having to do with renovating an HVAC system or building in a daylighting type capability within the windows? To prioritize that and make better decisions about where they spend money and how they spend money.